My friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Ankr crypto. What's the price change goes in Ankr, what's the high price of Ankr, and what is the currently price changes occurs in Ankr. In this video I will show you the currently situation of Ankr in the markets. What's the currently condition of Ankr at this time in the market. Let's see. Before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe for more this kind of latest and updates. So friends, as you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction of the Ankr coin. The last 1 day change occur in the Ankr. What's the change occur in Ankr coin and the last 1 day? As you can see here, first of all, if we look the changes occur in the Ankr coin. So the changes occur in the Ankr coin as about positive 1.82% change occur in the Ankr coin. Absolutely a good change. But if we look the currently condition of the Ankr coin in chart analysis, so the chart tell us that the currently condition of Ankr coin are very bad, and the high price of Ankr coin in the last day is about $0.1715555 is the high price of Ankr coin in the last 1 day, friends. Now let's see the price. If we look the chart analysis of the Ankr coin, so it's really a complex structures occur in the Ramin coin. As you can see here, it's absolutely at this period very complex structure of the chart analysis of the Ankr coin. As you can see here, take a jump for a little time. After a jump, they again falls down, falls down, falls down. What's going in this time in Ankr coin? As you can see here, and if we look the last hour price prediction, last 2 hour, 4 hour price prediction. So last 2 hour price prediction is continuously falling period of the Ankr coin start now. As you know, the previous period as a take a jump and falls down, and now they are previously frequently falling down. That is the last 1 day price prediction. Now let's see the last 1 hour, what's the change goes, and the last 1 hour, what's the price change, what's the high price of Ankr coin, and what is the current price of Ankr coin in the last 1 hour. As I told you, friends, in the start of this video, that currently at this time, in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour, it's continuously falling, frequently they falling down. As you can see here, the change occur in the last 1 hour is about negative $1.53% change occur in Ankr coin in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Ankr coin as about $0.165417 is the high price of Ankr in the last 1 hour. Friends, it's a really big bad news for all of Ankr holders, but don't worry about this funds. As you can see, it's fastly falls down like a rocket, but don't worry about this falling of the Ankr coin, because every cryptocurrency falls down for a little time. But as you know, it's a frequently convention of every cryptocurrencies when they start continuously falling down, so there is a big explosion in these cryptocurrencies. So the big explosion are coming soon of Ankr. Please don't worry about the falling, wait for the big explosion of Ankr coin. Please hold your Ankr coin. My suggestion for all of you, I'm also a holder of Ankr coin. It's really bad for also me, but please hold it with the last optimism, because it's conviction new explosion are coming soon of Ankr coin. Wait for it and please hold it. What's your opinion about Ankr coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest and updates news.